All right, welcome back. Now we are at the Darcha Shankula road, and Shankula top is just 39 kilometers from here. As you can see on the board, it is written. Padum is 143. I've been to Padum. You must have seen in my earlier vlog. Chika town, Chika village is 10 kilometers, and Jankar Sumdo is 17 kilometers. So our plan is now to just ride straight for Shankula top, do that pass, and then come back. So 39 roughly 40 kilometers each, so 80 kilometers of ride, and then we are going back to Manali. Alright, so I think it will take hour and a half. Yeah, snow is snowing right over there. So yes, we are expecting some snowfall. I hope there is no kichad and slush, but around hour and a half it should take us to be on the top. It's already 11:30, so by 12:31 we should be on top max, and then another hour and a half to come back. Chalo, catch you up on the road. Chalo, we have started our ride. Next 40 kilometers roughly. Let's see how many hours it will take us. Road seems to be good. Total tarmac, that's what I have some updates, but as we reach on top, obviously there would be some slush, there would be some water crossing, but I hope not like Baralacha. Chalo, let's enjoy. So Shankula top would be my 15th pass and the last pass of my journey, of my epic journey. That's very important, from Goa to Leh and back. Today is the day 25th of our ride. Evening we are planning to take a stay at Manali. Tomorrow we are planning to take our bikes for servicing, and then day after tomorrow we are starting our ride back home. So in 4 days we are expected to cover up the distance and reach back home safely. 4 days? No, I think in 3 days we'll be able to make it. Yeah, so 4 days it will take us to reach home. That update I will give you later on. Meanwhile, enjoy this beauty, enjoy this scenery, enjoy this view, and people are working here. Thank you guys for keeping this road in good condition. Where is Shankar? I can't see him. Okay, let me wait for him, otherwise it doesn't look good that I have gone ahead and he's relaying very behind. Come on man, come on, come. Where are you? Yeah, there he's coming. Shankula 36 from here. Great. So distance has reduced, and it's really getting cold now, obviously, because we will be gaining some altitude, and we got to be riding right through this valley. Shankula, here we come. More 28 kilometers to go. Okay, so they are constructing the new bridge here. I hope in next couple of years this should be ready. Our ascending ride for Shankula has begun, and this is what last time I said regarding Baralacha, and then I had a fall because of the black ice. That fall was really danger, not expected, but it happened. We both fell down, me and my bike. Look at that view. We came all the way from there down. It's very steep. It's very steep. So we got to go right there in the valley now. Another valley. Valley after valley, mountain after mountain. That's beauty of being in Leh. Chalo. Let's see what is there beyond that valley. Or maybe I think we need to take U-turn. Not in that valley. We got to take a U-turn. But at least we'll get to see what is there across this mountain. Alright, it's a valley, baby. And I'm taking it from out. And another U-turn. और अपना मुंबईकर भाई आ रहा है धीरे से probably. Yeah, okay. बहुत बार से लिया. Yes. Alright, we are going through that valley. So I was right. and we have now snow. I hope there is no snow on the road. The snow looks like a cotton candy, you know, some of the snow which is now next to the road, cotton candy, but it's very hard stone. Meanwhile, look at that view. Whoa, I think that is where we are going. It's snowing there on the peaks, maybe at Shinkula Pass. If there is no much wind, it's just 13 kilometers now. I can give it a try for my drone. एक shot तो बनता है यार, seriously. I hope there is no much wind. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so we are getting very close to the Shinkula top. Maybe I think around 5 kilometers or so. Let's check it out. Look at this snow, yaar. Bloody hell. So much of snow, so much of snow. Snow, snow, snow. Everything is snow. Snow, snow, snow. Huh. Maybe I think after that curve, we'll get the real idea how far we are from the Shinkula top. But my gut feeling says immediately after that curve, we should be within the close proximity of Shinkula top. Let's see, let's see. But meanwhile, all around us is only snow, and this is a wall. See the thickness of the snow, yaar. Whoa, 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 whoa. Should I touch? Whoop. So much of snow. Thanks to BRO for clearing this road, seriously, and all the authorities for keeping this road clean so that people like us can come and enjoy, spend some quality time here, make some memories, and go back home safely with lots and lots of memories. ये स्नो से ना गोला बना जाए, गोला गोला, रंग बिरंगे गोले. Really, really beautiful. Every mountain and the snow has its own beauty. Everywhere what we saw is only mountain, and we never got bored. Can you imagine? And this is what exactly Shankar was trying to tell me, and he was so right. And we have 5 more kilometers to go for Shinkula top, the last pass of my epic journey from Goa to Leh. I am in the close proximity of just around now 4 kilometers, and this would be my last pass, the 15th pass in total 30 days of my ride. And probably I think I will fly my drone because there is no wind here. You got a good road for a takeoff and landing for the drone. And let's catch the aerial view. Obviously, after my other formalities of taking pictures and videos and everything, till then our Mumbaikar bhai will come because it's coming very slow. His bike needs a lot of power. Same with my bike. We are at a very high altitude. I don't know what is the altitude of this Shinkula Pass. We'll get to know. We'll get to know. Come on, baby. Again, first gear. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No. Look at the sky. Look at the mountains. Look at the white snow. And look at the beautiful road. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No, no. Look at the mountains, white mountains, and in between sometime there's a snowing on the top, and then there's a bird, and you have a U-turn. Wow, the bird sat there. Wow, cool. Hello, birdie. Hi. And she went off. She flew. There she's one. Okay, now it's a U-turn. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Are we there yet? almost. Are we there yet? Almost, baby. Are we there yet? Yes, yes. I think after this turn, slowly, slowly, slowly. Oh, this stretch is really challenging. Oh, see the wall, snow wall around me. Ha, beautiful, beautiful. Are we there yet? Not yet. Are we there yet? Can you imagine riding between the snow walls? Seriously, wow. This was all the while was just a dream, a dream, a dream, a dream. एक ख्वाब देखा था, and that ख्वाब, that dream, I'm living right now. Fantastic, fantastic. Come on, baby. Probably just another turn. Are we there yet? I don't know. Are we there yet? I think so. Look at the snow. Look at the swords. Look at the beautiful mountain. And where is Shankar? Okay, it's coming. Are we there yet? Almost, baby. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Yes, yes. Just hold on. Another turn. Turn after turn. Curves after curves. Blind turn. Are we there yet? Yes, yes, yes. Another turn. Wow, baby. This is the best pass I think I've ever been. Seriously, seriously, seriously. Come on, come on. A little more. And we have Scorpio. Is it stuck or parked? Maybe parked, I think. No, it's stuck. There's nobody. There's nobody. Knock, knock. Anybody? Nobody. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Little more, little more, little more. Little more. Look at the thickness of the wall, yaar. Of the snow. भाई किधर है तू? अरे शिंकुला भाई. Shinkula. 3 more kilometers. Okay. 3 more kilometers. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Okay, okay. 3 more kilometers. Wow. Shankar, come on, come on. You know, we are riding in the wonderland. अब यहाँ से एक सोनपरी बाहर निकलेगी. देखा तो सोनपरा निकला. You know, it's like what it is like. It's like that movie, Lord of the Ring. Yeah. La 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 la. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, snow is falling. La 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 la. Okay, 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 baby. Baby, little more, little more, little more. It's been exactly 6,000 kilometers since I have left home. 6,000 kilometer mark on Shinkula Pass. Wow. And I think more than 2,500 kilometer more will add on by the time I reach home. So I think total journey would be around 8,500 kilometer plus. Fantastic. Come on bhai, come on, come on. Are Shinkula bhai, khoi re tu. Yam re begin. Are Shinko, Shinkula, 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 kidhar gaya tu. Wow. La 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 la. Shinko, I'm tired. Where are you, man? Come fast. I think we have reached the end point of the Shinkula Pass. Maybe a kilometer or so, or maybe a kilometer and a half, or 2 kilometers. Wow, my eyes started hurting because of this brightness of snow. Shinko, Shinko, Shinku, Shinkula. Okay, I think I can see a board from here, a green color board. Is it the end point? No. Beyond that, there is some prayer flags. I think I just saw some prayer flags. Wow, यार क्या बोलूँ मैं इस हाइस को, कितना सुंदर है, सुंदर, अति सुंदर. I want you all to see this everything, and you can just imagine how beautiful is it, how beautiful this place is in reality. ओ भाई शिंको, किधर गया रे तू? And if you get some time from your busy schedule, come here and you have slush. Okay, chalo, let's cross this. आराम से भाई शिंको. Okay. It's ice. Come on, baby. Last challenge, I believe. Okay, let's go this side. Let me change my gear, because this side is little safe. Okay. Okay, this road is washed out. A little patch. Okay, baby. किधर है भाई शिंको? अरे ओ शिंको, Shinkula. Don't tell me we are getting down now. Across the top or what? Why the hell we are not getting any board here? Okay, let me just try this side and see. Come. I think probably Shinkula board must have been covered by snow. We are going down, it looks like. There is no board over here. Yes. Come. Let's see forward for a while, because I think 2 kilometers are almost done. 2 or 3 kilometers. We eventually may end up in Purne, Padum down there. Okay, let's check, because I know till Shinkula top you have a tarmac road. So probably I think we'll see where the tarmac road ends. Oh, Shinko. There is Shinkula Pass. Come. We reached. Come. We got it, baby. There it is. There are some people, I think 2-3 over there. Let's go. I saw some 2-3 people standing there, and you have prayer flags as well. That's the top, Shinku baby. Nice name, no? Shinkula. Okay, something is written here by BRO. Cut mountains but connect hearts. Obviously, love you BRO for this. Na. Total white. Look at these swords hanging. Snow, ice ka sword. Pachak. You can just play with them. Are we there yet? Yes, baby. We have reached. Are we there yet? Yes. Are we there yet? Yes, I'm saying we have reached. Road goes like that, and suddenly, okay, I don't know, whatever. There is the Shinkula top and Padum is just 104. Khaiste is 109, 309, and Leh is 404. And we have Indian flag right over there. Let's go slowly. The last hurdle. Okay. Come on, Shankar. Okay, baby. Yes, finally, at the 15th pass of my epic journey at Shinkula. We did it. And the total altitude is 16,580 feet. Wow. Great. Let's park over here and we'll wait for our Mumbaikar brother. Bhai, we did it. Great. The last pass of our epic journey. Enjoyed? No? This was much easy, Marai.
Snow pool looking है.
अरे sorry ना Marai, big balls.
To cross वाला ice open snow.
Potta. I know that. So let's fly drone now. I'm going to fly drone here. Right. So finally I'm here at the Shinkula top with the altitude of 16,580 feet above sea level. This is the 15th pass and the last pass of my epic journey all the way from Goa to Leh. Yes, finally I did my all 15 passes. I missed some of them, but never mind. I can always come some other time. Till then, enjoy this. Finally, Mumbaikar Bhai has come. Last shot, I thought I'll take it from here because there's no wind. Got a good shot. And then we took some pictures and we thought you got stuck somewhere. So this is all about Shinkula Pass, my last pass of my epic journey, the 15th one. And finally we have done it. And now we are going back to Darcha and from Darcha to Manali. So the route to Darcha is the same, the way we have come from. So I won't be shooting anything again. I'll catch you up directly at Darcha or maybe at Manali. Alright, so till then, take care, stay safe, and see you after some time. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And you can go this side for Padum, Purne, entire Zanskar Valley. Chalo, catch you up after some time.